How to capture the moment with a friend on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. You will find this issue in your profile, so open Instagram and click on your profile at the bottom right. Now what you need to do is click on the plus button at the top left corner of your screen and click on post. After you click on post, select the image. After you've selected any image you want to post, press on next at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, press on share at the bottom. After you've clicked on share, you can go to your profile and you won't see capture the moment with friend option again. And this is how to capture the moment with a friend on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.